Okay, now the next one is on page number 219. Question number 18 is going to be a homework. Question number 13, we are going to do it together. As we can see, this is an isosceles triangle. That means this angle equals this one. In this case, you have to name it as the same thing because both of them are on the base of the triangle, the isosceles triangle. So this one equals D because they are the same. Then the 115 angle and the D, they lie together beside each other on supplementary angles, right? So angle D is going to be equals 180 take away 115, okay, which equals 65 degrees, guys, because this is an isosceles triangle on the base of it. So D is going to be equal 65. Your reasoning why? Because 115 degrees and D, they are supplementary angles. Okay, this question is homework. Next, page 219. I'm going to do question number 15. Question number 16 is yours to do. Okay, this is an isosceles triangle. That means that the base angles are equal, right? So if this one is 45, this one is 45 too. Okay, then D is going to be equal 180 take away 45 plus 45, the sum of the other two angles, right? So angle D is going to be 180 take away 90, which equal 90 degrees. Okay, question number 16 is yours. Now let's move on the quadrilaterals. As I said before, the sum of any quadrilateral in the whole world, the sum of the angles is equal to 360. Again, this is true for any quadrilateral, whatever its shape or size. Okay, when you see squares, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, this is 130, we have to find the missing angle here. This is question number 1, page 214. Okay, so 360 is gonna be equal, it's gonna be equal 90 plus 90 plus 130 plus D. Okay, put like terms together. 360 is going to be 180 and 130 is going to be 0, 13, 18. It's going to be equals to, oh my god, it's early morning. 18 and 13 equals 31 plus D angle. Okay, 310 degree. Take away 310 from both sides. D is going to be equals to 50 degrees. Question number 2 is your homework. I want to go back. Maybe some students, they don't like the constructing an equation and solve for the variable D. In this case, you can say that D is going to be equal 360. Take away the sum of the three other angles, 180, 90 plus 90 plus 130 as before, then D equals 360. Take away the 310, then D equals 50 degrees. Okay, this is two ways by this is first way of by constructing an equation and solve it for the variable D, and the next one by using this method. Page 216, find the angle D and E. Okay, mixed shapes by using the other properties that we took them previously. Okay, D, because it's on the straight line, so D and 100 are supplementary angles. What supplementary angles? When you add up two angles on one straight line, they add up into 180. Then angle D is going to be 80. Why 80? Because 100, it needs another 80 to make a straight angle. So D is 80, 160, 50, and the fourth angle is missing. Okay, here because supplementary with the 100. Okay, E is going to be equal 360. Take away the sum of the three other angles, 160 plus D, which is 80, plus the 50. Then 360, take away 0, 13, and 6, 19, 290, which equals 70 degrees. Okay? Now, D equals how much, guys? Because it is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles with 80, right? Now, E and E, that means the left angles are equal and 50. So in this case, you have to construct an equation. So 360 degrees is going to be the sum of D, that is already known right now, 80, plus 2 E's, plus the 50. Okay, like terms together, rewrite, equals 80 and 50, 130, plus 2E, take away 130 from both sides, 2E is going to be equal 0, 3, 2, get rid of the coefficient, over 2 over 2, then E equals 1, 1, 15 degrees for each E, so this is 115 degrees. Okay, this is the last question. It's a homework for you. Almost close the previous question, the same idea. You have two E's, D, supplementary, supplementary, D, D, two equal angles and two another equal angles. Okay.